How's it going? I just wanted to show off my little S10 slash deadbolt that I built. Still going through some changes. I gotta do some more upgrades, but I finally got it able to bring it out. I'll explain a little bit more when I get home, and I'll show you guys a little bit better when I get home, but still don't judge because the wires are all over, but it's still work in progress, I guess what I'm trying to say. But I just came to my little spot that I come to. I live in Colorado, so there's some cool little spots. I just came to the bottom of the hill real quick just to test it out, make a quick little video. But I got my doggies with me if you hear anything. So, but yeah. Anyway, back to the S10. It's a model kit that I got. I just kind of put it together real quick. I'll explain a little bit more when I get home, but I got wires sticking out the back, but it's just a quick run just to see how it does. So here's another quick little video before I get out there and try it out. I got a ski board and a couple other things in the back. I might change that up because it's summertime now, but it's still cool. Let's go check it out, I guess. Forgive me because it's my first video, so I'll get better as I go, but just to show you guys, I come in my Cadillac Escalade, and I have my boxer dogs with me. I have two of my dogs with me. I have two more at home. I can only bring two at a time, but anyway, let's get back to the action. Let's try to hit this mud puddle. This is a nice little area, man. I just gotta walk around and explore, but this ain't nothing. This is just the beginning of it. I'm down here on the bottom, trying to make it up to my little spot that I'm trying to get to, but let's see if we can get there. I think my body is on there crooked, but it's still going. What's going on, guys? I'm just messing around. If you guys can suggest any different kind of tires, or what else would you guys do to this little guy, man? I'm running the stock shocks. Here's the back of it if you guys want to check it out. Nothing too fancy, but that's the transmitter I'm using. That's the model kit I used. But like I said, nothing too fancy. Gets the job done. I do plan on making a couple more videos with this guy. And then once I finish this guy, then I'll move on to the next one. But so far so good. It's been pretty fun, man. Well guys, that's the end of the video. It's nothing too fancy. This is my first one that I built, so I still gotta hide the wires a little bit better. I think I want to put some different tires on it. If you guys have any suggestions what you guys would do, please let me know. This is the inside of it. It's not pretty right now, but it does the job. I gotta make the wires more neater, so don't judge me right away. It's not done. It's work in progress, guys. So it's almost done, and then I'll finish this and I'll move on to my next one. So it was pretty fun, man. Actually, I learned a lot from this one, so can't wait to my next one. Thank you. Bye.